M2PP Mackay's Topeka Dynamic Compaction Project exemplifies an innovative approach to enhancing soil stability and strength along a key section of New Zealand's infrastructure. This method involves dropping heavy weights from significant heights to compact the soil densely, which is crucial for ensuring the ground can support the construction of roads, bridges, and other structures without excessive settling or shifting. Dynamic compaction was chosen for the M2PP project because it efficiently treats large areas, significantly improving ground conditions in a relatively short time frame. This technique is especially effective in areas with loose, granular soils, where traditional compaction methods may fall short in achieving the necessary density and stability. The success of dynamic compaction in the M2PP project highlights its importance in preparing foundations for large-scale infrastructure projects, ensuring long-term durability and safety. Utilizing a duty cycle crawler crane, such as the HS813EHD, for dynamic soil compaction proves to be a highly efficient method for enhancing ground density and stability in construction projects.
The Soviets built some of the largest and most advanced helicopters in the world. By 1957, the MiL-Me-6 had become the largest helicopter ever built, dwarfing its Western counterparts. However, the Soviet Union soon deemed it a matter of national security to create an even larger helicopter.
The S4000 Hydro Hammer, with its precise pile driving capabilities, ensures enhanced efficiency and accuracy in foundation setting. Combined with innovative pulse technology, it reduces underwater noise pollution, addressing environmental concerns. This loadout exemplifies IQIP's commitment to providing cutting-edge solutions for the renewable energy sector, emphasizing sustainability, efficiency, and precision in offshore wind farm development.
The T2A2, the world's second-largest dump truck, is a colossal machine weighing 240 tons when empty, equivalent to 130 standard cars. To move this giant, the National Group ingeniously removed its wheels and loaded it onto a road rail system powered by two mighty trucks. The police provided an escort for this mechanical behemoth. Loading spars onto ships and cranes for streamlined processing may seem complex, but it's surprisingly efficient. Typically, spars are assembled close to the port, allowing for easy placement into the water. Ships then tow them to deeper waters where they are submerged through water filling. Once the spars reach the designated depth, the water is pumped out, enabling the smooth loading of the superload onto the ship. It's truly astonishing how, despite the trailer nearly tipping over, it miraculously regained balance without any steering adjustments. With remarkable poise and assurance, the driver then confidently ascends the hillside, executing the maneuver with unparalleled calm and skill. Crane represents the apex of heavy lifting technology, setting a new standard for the industry. Boasting an unmatched combination of power and versatility, this state-of-the-art crane has a staggering lifting capacity that allows it to tackle projects previously deemed impossible. Engineered for efficiency and precision, the PTC 200DS is designed to operate in extremely confined spaces, making it ideal for large-scale industrial projects, including power plants, refineries, and offshore constructions. Its innovative design reduces setup time and enhances mobility, offering unparalleled flexibility across various terrains. The Mammoet PTC 200DS is not just a crane, it's a game-changer in the heavy lifting sector, embodying Mammoet's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Check out that yellow vehicle. That's the excavator I mentioned earlier. Now, take a look at this massive tow rope excavator. Instead of using conventional levers, engineers have created a pull-string scooper that allows it to handle large volumes while maintaining perfect balance. This cutting-edge design is truly transforming the heavy lifting industry. The John Deere 853M and 903 mid-track fella bunches are high-performance, durable forestry machines. Featuring a robust design, remote monitoring technology, JDL link, and comfortable cabins, these models enhance productivity and operate efficiently on rugged forest terrain.
Omega Morgan's transformer relocation showcases their expertise in handling critical and heavy equipment, such as power transformers. This complex operation demands meticulous planning, specialized trailers, and skilled handling to protect the integrity of the transformers. Omega Morgan excels in managing logistical challenges, ensuring the secure and efficient transport of these vital components. Their methodical approach, from route selection to load stabilization, reflects their commitment to excellence in heavy haulage. This operation not only highlights Omega Morgan's technical prowess, but also underscores their dedication to maintaining essential power infrastructure with minimal disruption.
Franz Bracht is a prominent name in the heavy lifting and transport industry, renowned for its exceptional services in crane rental, heavy transport, and specialized lifting projects. Established in Germany, Franz Bracht has built a reputation over the years for handling some of the most complex and challenging projects across Europe and beyond. With a comprehensive fleet of state-of-the-art cranes, Ranging from mobile cranes to towering lattice boom cranes, Franz Bracht is equipped to tackle tasks of virtually any scale. Their commitment to safety, precision, and efficiency, combined with extensive expertise in innovative engineering solutions, makes them a go-to partner for industries requiring meticulous handling of heavy loads, such as construction, infrastructure development, and renewable energy projects. Franz Bracht exemplifies the blend of tradition and innovation, continuously evolving to meet the demands of modern heavy lifting and transport challenges. From a distance, cargo ships may seem like tiny dots, but up close, they're colossal, akin to floating skyscrapers. Since the introduction of the Ideal X in 1956, container ships have transformed the shipping industry by efficiently transporting vast quantities of cargo. These steel giants come in various sizes, from smaller ships carrying a few hundred containers to ultra-large vessels capable of transporting over 20,000 containers. The Easy Gripper Tire Handler series boosts efficiency and safety for tire technicians across various conditions. The Easy Gripper 2160, featuring a 90-degree tilt module, enhances maneuverability and safety for forklifts during tire handling. Its compact design also allows it to adapt to front loaders or T-handlers without a tilt module. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with truck crane systems, including electric-powered options, offering versatile tire handling solutions. The VAO Master, manufactured by Gubel UIL Germany, is a versatile round baler perfect for processing livestock feed. It efficiently handles materials like corn, CCM, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grains, mixed feed, and sunflower stalks, producing tightly compressed, uniform bales. This design minimizes waste, optimizes storage, and ensures high-quality feed preservation. The Ramform Titan, often dubbed the world's ugliest ship for its unconventional boxy design, is operated by PGS with a focus on seismic data collection. Its wide hull enhances stability and deck space, making it highly effective in offshore exploration despite its controversial appearance. A true innovation in marine technology.